Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1962 Chrysler Imperial Crown Convertible. Before we get into this vehicle, I do want to just tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of what's in inventory is domestic classic cars, and about 20% is European exotic. And we have all ages and alike. We're located on 301 just north of Televast, or excuse me, on the corner of Televast and 301 just north of University. As I mentioned, we keep about 100 cars in inventory. We ship all over the world. About 65–70% of what we sell does leave the state of Florida. So we are very accustomed to remote buyers. It can handle your shipping needs. If you're looking for financing on one of our cars, we can help you out as well on that. You can either give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota and see the finance tab that we have on the website. But back to this 1962 Imperial, just a beautiful car here, black on black with a black convertible top. Back in 1962, this was the longest non-limousine production car in America at the time. So truly a very long vehicle here. You have to have a big garage. In 62, the Imperial Crown was the lowest production year of the vehicle. There was only 554 vehicles built in 1962. So this is certainly a collector's dream here. The black exterior paint is in very good condition. As we walk through it, chrome is in great shape. So it has the wide white wall tires. The convertible top is in excellent condition. And again, if I'm going too fast with the video, I do apologize. You can see about 60 to 70 pictures of the vehicle on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. If there is a certain angle or certain area that I went too fast on and you'd like to see, just visit the website and you can certainly see. Again, nice black leather interior. See the seat belts. This car has been equipped with AC. The consignor put the AC in right before they brought it in. So the AC compressor and system is brand new. As you're looking at is 413 cubic inch V8 that powers the Chrysler Imperial, excuse me. It is paired with a 3-speed automatic. And as we go back in time, we also are in the future. As you will see, it does have push button transmission, which is, again, some of the newer cars are starting to go with push button, but back in 62, you can see that this Chrysler Imperial had it. Here are the AC controls. Very clean installation. You can see power windows, power top. Go ahead and start the vehicle. As you can see, it is a cold start. And we do disconnect the batteries while they're inside. Make sure that's on. And we will go start the vehicle. Get the right key. Vehicle starts right up, as you can see. Radio, looks like an AM radio. You can see the power windows. Make sure we're in neutral here. Brake on. You can see beautiful black paint on the car. No smoke coming out of the exhaust. Engine sounds healthy. Again, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You can finance it if you need financing. Please just give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com, for more information on this vehicle or any other vehicle that we may have. And again, as you see, this beautiful 1962 Imperial, you can see the length of it here. It looks beautiful with the black and the white wall tires. Appreciate you joining in. Please subscribe to our channel for future videos of additional inventory that may come in. Appreciate you tuning in on this 1962 Imperial. And again, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much.